Yes, Mr. Mutua.
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you involved in investigating this matter?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Do you take us through what you did in regard to this matter? Whether there is any photographs, video that you did analysis on? Do you please take us through?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm going to talk about photographs and videos which were brought to our IPOA Forensic Lab for examination and analysis. Your Honor, I'll first start with the photographs and how Sorry, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor, I was involved in the investigations under case registration number IPOA INV IPOA INV 00593 00593 2024. Your Honor, this was a case whereby one victim, Rex Masai, was shot along Mamagina Street at the CBD, Nairobi, on 18th on 20th June 2024. On 20th June 2024. Photograph number 1 to photograph number 4. They show general view.
Which photographs from?
Number 1 to number 4.
Your Honor, this is the first photo.
Second.
This is the second. The third and the fourth.
As per the photos, Your Honor, it shows general view of photographs of people in a procession. And Your Honor, among them, there is a man of brown complexion, complexion, wearing a black cap, wearing a black cape, bearing a Nike logo, blue shirt, gray pair of trousers, black sports shoes, and Your Honor, the above referred person is holding a police communication gadget in his left arm. Next, we move to photographs number 5 to 10. Photographs number 5 to 10. Your Honor, in these 5 to 10 photographs, we can see medium view photographs of people boarding a police lorry. And the above referred man is among the people. Your Honor, we proceed to photographs number 11 to 15. The above referred man is captured with a gas gunner. The above referred man is captured with a gas gunner, secured under the left armpit. Secured under the left armpit.
These were photographs from when? These are taken when?
Those were for 18th June 2024.
So photograph 1 to 15 were taken on the 18th of June 2024.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, kindly proceed.
Your Honor, we move to photographs taken on 20th June 2024. Your Honor, photograph number 16 to 18. Photographs number 16 to 18. Shows closer view photographs of police officers. Closer view of police officers. And Your Honor, among the officers, there is a man in a black cap. There is a man in a black cap bearing the words bell. Bearing the words bell. Black shirt. Black mask. Black shirt. Blue pair of jeans. And white sports shoes. In addition to that, Your Honor, the same man has a Kenyan flag bracelet. The same man has a Kenyan flag bracelet on his right wrist. On his right wrist. And another on his left wrist with the words IZOO. IZOO.
So this is in regard to photographs
taken on 20th June 2024.
Yes. Proceed.
Your Honor, now I move to the videos that were contained in the same flash disk. The videos were subjected to forensic tool. The videos were subjected to forensic tool by the name Cognitech Forensic Video Investigator. Cognitech.
Just a tool by the name?
Forensic tool, Cognitech, C-O-G-N-I-T-E-C.
C-O-G-N-I...
N-I-T-E-C.
Cognitech, yes.
Forensic Video Investigator to ascertain their authenticity. To ascertain their authenticity. Your Honor, I previewed the footages. And Your Honor, I'll be taking you through the video description of the two video clips. Your Honor, this video clip was taken on 18th June 2024. It was taken on 18th June 2024. And it is 13 minutes and 22 seconds long. 13 minutes and 22 seconds long. Your Honor, 28 seconds to 37 seconds a man of brown complexion wearing a black cap. A man of brown complexion wearing a black cap, bearing a Nike logo. Bearing a Nike logo. Blue shirt. Blue shirt. Gray pair of trousers. Gray pair of trousers. And black sports shoes. Black sports shoes is captured among a group of people. Your Honor, the man is holding a blue mobile phone. Blue mobile phone and a gadget which appears to be police communication radio in his left arm. Your Honor, from minute 2:53, from minute 2:53 to 2:57, 2:53 to 2:57, the same man is captured standing beside a police lorry. Number 3, from minute 03:31 to 03:45, minute 03:31 to 3:45, I describe the video. The man in frame 1 and 2, referred above. The man in frame 1 and 2, referred above. is captured beside a police Land Cruiser. Fastened on his left armpit is what appears to be a tear gas launcher. He proceeds to board the Land Cruiser on the co-driver's side. Your Honor, now we move to the second video of 20th June 2024. Of 20th June 2024. Your Honor, the video is 14 seconds video clip. 14 seconds video clip. Written Occupy Parliament protests. That is the file name of the video. Occupy Parliament protest. Your Honor, the occurrence in this video is that a group of people in police uniform are seen removing straws from the road. Among them is a man in a black cape, black shirt, blue pair of jeans, and white sports shoes. He is holding a police communication gadget in his left hand. Fastened on his left armpit is a riot button. And on his right wrist is a bracelet bearing Kenyan.
Just after holding communication gadget on his arm, after that, I didn't get it.
In his left hand. Your Honor, fastened on his left armpit. Fastened on his left armpit is a riot button. Riot button. And Your Honor, on the right wrist is wearing a bracelet with a Kenyan flag colors. Kenya flag colors. Your Honor, after examination of the photographs described above and the videos shown before this court today, Your Honor, I formed an opinion that the person depicted in the images 1 to 18, I formed an opinion that this person depicted in the images 1 to 18 is the same person who is captured in the videos. Is the same person who is captured in the videos. Referred to us (1806-24), 1806-2024, Kenya Finance Bill protest. Kenya Finance Bill protests, MP4, as well as video of 20th June 2024, as well as the video of 20 June 2024, Occupy Parliament protest, MP4 file name. MP4, that's the end, MP4. It's a file name.
Mr. Mutua, you have been taken through many questions.
Yes, Your
Some
Honor.
of them are repetitive.
Yes, Your Honor.
And I'm going to ask maybe one or two questions
Yes, Your Honor.
in regard to the questions that you have been asked. I'll begin by I'll begin where counsel left. What is that person in the screen doing?
Shooting towards the crowd.
Shooting towards the crowd.
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you tell how far the crowd is and where he is? Are you able to tell just from the footage how far?
I can only guess the approximate distance.
Yes. About how far?
Around 10 meters.
10 meters?
Yes, Your Honor.
Around 10 meters.
Yes, Your Honor.
How far is 10 meters from where you stand? Can you show
From
us?
here, almost up to that wall.
Up to that wall.
Yes, Your Honor.
And we have a person, an officer, you say it's an officer,
Yes, Your Honor.
shooting at that distance.
Yes, Your Honor.
About 10 meters.
With your kind permission,
Yes, Your Honor.
we restricted ourselves to questions asked during examination.
Correct.
We never touched anything with respect to distance, and that's what is happening now. So I think
Mr. Mukuri,
Yes,
I think they
I
never
withdraw that.
show distance.
Now, back to, just go back to where he was removing the fire. Let it play. At that point, he removes the firearm, shoots. Yeah? Now, the question I want to ask, because you have been asked this, was the firearm with him earlier in the day? Did you see any firearm?
No, Your Honor.
He didn't have any firearm. But in this photo, in this footage, he now has a firearm and a jacket.
Yes, Your Honor.
Very well.
Your Honor, can I add something?
Yes, you can.
Your Honor, in police training, we are normally guided, never point gun at a jest. Never point a gun at a jest unless you intend to shoot. That is the rule in police training. For a properly trained officer can only withdraw a firearm if he intends to shoot. Never point a gun in jest.
Very well. And I thank you for that. Now, to another question. You have been asked about the status of the camera. And you are asked whether you have a report on the status of the camera.
Yes, Your Honor.
And your answer to it was that you did not have.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. In all these footages that we have seen, is there any indication anywhere that the cameras were not working?
No, Your Honor.
There is no indication that they are not working. Very well. And is there any interference in the footage? Was
No,
there
Your
any
Honor.
interference?
The forensic tool confirmed it was not tampered with.
It was not tampered with.
Yes, Your Honor.
And this was done through
Forensic analysis.
forensic analysis.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, you were also asked about how it was extracted.
Yes, Your Honor.
This footage, where was it stored? The camera, where was the footage stored? From the cameras?
In the CCTV system.
In the CCTV system.
Yes, Your Honor.
And where did you extract the footage from?
The footage was extracted by the APSA management.
Yes,
from their system.
From their system.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. And how did you confirm the authenticity?
The footages were subjected to a forensic tool.
They were subjected to a forensic tool.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Very well. This system that you have been indicated.
Yes, Your Honor.
What system was it?
It was IPOA system.
IPOA system.
Yes, Your Honor.
And is it in their report? The serial number, whatever is it indicated?
No, Your Honor.
Not indicated.
Yes, Your Honor.
And what is the desktop computer serial number in your report?
The serial computer in my report, Your Honor, indicates that it is a computer which we normally use for forensic analysis.
So this is the computer that you used for the forensic analysis?
Yes, Your Honor.
Not the computer that stored the footage?
Yes, Your Honor.
Very well. That is okay. Thank you for the clarification. Now, you were asked from the footage, even from the photo that we can see at the screen right now, are you able to identify the person?
Only for a trained eye.
Only for a trained eye. How can you be able to identify the person from the footage? How are you able to identify the person?
Your Honor, you are able to describe the clothing of the day.
Yes. The clothing of the day?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Vis-a-vis what was recorded elsewhere.
Yes.
In another different period of the day.
Yes.
And if you compare the two scenarios captured by the footage and the ones recorded as per the...
Yes. And which it is writing?
Vis-a-vis what was recorded elsewhere?
Yes, vis-a-vis what is recorded elsewhere?
Yes,
if you compare?
Yes, Your Honor. You are able to confirm indeed that cannot be another person.
So you are able to identify the person?
Yes, Your Honor.
Very well.
And Your Honor, I have never met the person before.
You have never met the person before?
Yes, Your Honor.
So you do not know him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Very well. Now, lastly, is there any other person from the footage who has been seen shooting?
No, Your Honor.
There is no other person?
Yes, Your Honor.
That will be all.